So welcome to a new video on HS2. A bit of a issue on this one. They can't actually launch the drone because I'm too close to Birmingham Airport. So you've got the bridge coming over the road there. I have to do it on camera, I'm afraid. If I can get the drone up a bit further around the corner, I will. But it might just be a camera one. You can see the equipment there that we see on the other viaduct. Much smaller progress done here. Just spotted this as I was actually leaving Birmingham. Thought I'd come back and quickly get a video on it. Really cool to see actually so close. So it looks like they haven't even tied in yet on this one. There's a couple at the bottom tied, but the rest are all still being put in place. I've left my car on an HS2 slip road. I'm going to check if I'm still in the zone here. I'm getting deeper into the airport zone, unfortunately. It's going to be difficult to get any footage of this. Obviously I'll apply for next time. Not much has actually been done here yet. So there's 3 viaducts. It appears there. Handy little platform for me to stand on if I can get up. Above the fence. Such a cool piece of kit that we've seen used on the other section of Delta Junction. Now the traffic barrier, sort of a tightrope to see across the top. So yeah, all of these aren't actually tied in yet, which is what we've seen happen on the other one. There's one wire at the bottom there. This is all very fresh. There's only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13 pieces of viaduct in place there. I assume as it moves along, they'll tie more and more of it in. See the a big bit of kit that we've seen elsewhere. Viaducts continue down towards the other one where they'll meet in the middle at Delta Junction. Great to see a bit of viaduct being lifted, but I don't think we're going to be lucky enough today. is a new site for me. I've never seen this before. It's open, like I said, I pulled up, got the drone out of the car, check drone assist to find we're still in the red zone. So no drones here. Cranes at the top. Excavator working there. Viaduct. Yeah, afraid too close to the airport to film with the drone. Just an idea of what's here, and we'll keep an eye on it. See if I can find somebody to get the drone over for view anyway. It's not going to be anywhere near the site. But yeah, just a new, really up close and personal view of the equipment. Another piece there. As I try not to fall off the fence I'm walking along. So when it's in place, you can see the air cables there. Only the bottom row tied in so far. Lots more to go, and then you'll have that same. Is that the other end of Delta? So there's creating the embankments.